Hey guys, welcome to SNES Tech. Today we are going to code about how to find out an anagram string. So let's begin. Now create a new Kotlin file, name as a anagram. First of all, we have to import the util package from java.util. So find out an anagram string. First of all, we have to given two string, right? So make a main function. Previously, we have to create another function called is anagram. So take a two string. First of all, we take a string 1 and another string 2. Both are both are string as a boolean value. So we get a boolean here. Now we have to check if both the string length should be equal or not. Then we can easily find out both a string is anagram or not. So take uh, write as a string 1 of length is not equal to string 2 of length. If the both string length are equal, then it can return as a true value, or if not, then return as a false value. Okay, now I have to convert both the string type, means both the strings, to an character array. In Kotlin, we know the two char array method, which is converted into array, string to array. So written as right here, val str array of 1 is str of 1 to char array, right? Similarly, we have to given the second, sorry, in string 2, okay, all right. And then we have to sort both the array by arrays keyword. We know the arrays keyword, which is uh, make help of in some sorted method. So we take arrays dot sort, which is sort of our first array. Similarly, here in second array. All right. Now we can convert both the sorted array again into a string value. So there is nothing else, nothing any headache. So we make another sorted string of 1, which given as a string value of, sorry, string array of 1. Similarly, string array of 2, here also 2. All right. Now we can check both the string give uh, both the output, means both the last string after sorting. If the string is equal or not, then we can return the value as a true or false. Then at last we have to return the value as a return the value of sorted array of 1 equal to sorted array of 2. Right. Now we can move up to the main function. Here we have to take as a scanner class for inputting the data. Okay, so make a scanner equal to scanner system system.in. Now we get a print function here for the message of enter first string. Then we have to string of 1 is scanner dot next line. Then again we have to print the message for second string. Dot next. Alright. Now we have to call the function to check the string is anagram or not. So write as if condition is anagram, the function name, then the toString. Alright. Then print a message string is anagram, then else given string not anagram. Alright. Now to return all the code, let's have it run it. Okay, so we got to the output here. We have to enter the first string. Let's have a that is arm and another is ram. So the string is an anagram. Let's have another example. Rerun here. Okay, so we got another. Again, we have to write here. So this is we have to get the correct output here. So hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.